Yo guys, welcome back to the weekly breakdown video. So this is a video where I obviously break down the market for the week, and let me tell you guys, this week is looking pretty crazy. So if you guys do not want to miss out on these signals or setups, then make sure to get in contact with me. All my links will be in the description, stuff like that, so you guys won't miss out on any trades, any setups, any breakdown videos, stuff like that. So without further ado, let's get into it. So, US30 is looking kind of pretty interesting right now. We had a nice little double top that had formed on the daily. So, yes, we have this big order block in the middle of the year, but honestly, to be honest with you guys, I think this order block is not going to hold. Because I mean, I see this strong double top, and I think it's just going to blast straight through this order block. So, my plan for this week is following it all the way down. I see it going all the way down from here to there. So our plan for the week is just we're gonna wait for the market and just wait for it to break that box, and we're gonna wait for the retest and then get in on the retest. So hopefully it will make something like, oh sorry, that was the wrong one. So hopefully it will do something like this, and then we'll be able to get in on the trade every year. So that's the plan for this week for US30, and we'll catch about 8,000 pips maybe. So we'll see how it goes. I definitely do think this is the play for the week. Because I mean, yeah, I don't think it's gonna bounce off and make a double bottom on that order block because it's made such a strong double top on the daily. So I think it's definitely gonna continue, but we'll wait for it. Because I mean, if it bounces off that order block and uses it as support, then obviously we switch to buys. But the only way we're going to switch to sells is if it breaks that and retests it, because that's obviously the way we trade. So, I mean, just be patient with that one, guys. Just check and see how it goes. Maybe Monday will give us a clear indication of where it's going to go for the week or anything like that. So just keep that in mind. But I think US30 definitely going to the downside. I see a strong level here that it can come test. A lot of open area over here that it hasn't tested in a while either. So I definitely do think that the sell is on this week. And then maybe from there we'll go up again. You never know. We'll have to analyze that when it gets there. But for this week, I'm seeing sell on US30. It's looking pretty good. Maybe 8,000 pip move. We'll see how it goes. Yeah, if you guys want to get involved, definitely get into the groups. The VIP groups are going crazy lately with the signals anyway. um so I mean, this is gonna be clean. We'll just see how it goes. I'll keep you guys updated in the groups, and yeah, we'll profit on that trade this week for sure. So that's what I think US30 is doing for this week. Gold is looking pretty interesting. So last week we had this whole analysis right here. We had the consolidation, the break of the consolidation, the retest of this order block, making it a resistance. And we went for the short. I mean, there was enough for the short because a daily time frame. So I mean, it did move enough for us to. It moved till 1895, and we entered at about 1830 roundabout there. So I mean, yeah, that was a pretty good trade. You guys should have definitely take profit from that, or at least been out and break even. So I mean, that was pretty good. But now onto this week is looking pretty weird. So I've drawn this trend line over here because honestly, I think it might just break that sell setup right there. Um, Honestly, if it breaks above this trend line and above this order block, we're obviously going to go for the buy and the retest. But other words, if it just carries on going, I mean, just hold those sells, as I said, because I mean, it will still be holding that bearish setup, but it's been here for a couple of days, and I'm kind of skeptical on this gold trade because I mean, I don't know, I just feel like it wants to go up now. It wants to break above that trend line, retest the order block, and then go up. So my bias for gold this week is 50-50. It just depends which way it breaks. So it's kind of like USD as well. the market's kind of in a weird position right now. It's like in a position where it could go either way. You just gotta wait for it. Just wait for the confirmation. Wait for the trend to set in and get in on the trade. So I think this week we got to be a little bit patient with the markets because there's big moves happening, and I mean we want to catch all those big moves. So I think patience is the key this week, and yeah, we're just gonna keep an eye on it. I'll keep an eye on it for you guys. Send setups on the groups and stuff like that. Send little updates during the week if I see anything else or anything like that. But yeah, this week is looking pretty clean because I mean, if we can carry on the sell, say now it just keeps on going down. I mean, we carry on that sell, we ride it down to that order block. If it wants to break above, no problem, bro. We'll follow you all the way up to the next order block. So I mean, it's perfectly. I mean, it just feels like a good week loading. So yeah, that's the analysis on US30 and gold right now. NAS, I'm not really looking at this week. I think I'm really gonna focus on US30 a lot and just keep checking gold as well. Yeah, and see how many setups we can get through this week. So I mean, yeah, pretty interesting week coming up. I think it's gonna be crazy. If you guys don't want to miss out, definitely get in contact. You guys can DM me on Instagram, anything like that. Email me. My links will be in the link tree in the description below. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed the video, please smash a like, and give me a sub. I would appreciate that. But yeah, this week loading. I think we got some big moves coming, so don't sleep on it. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.